Traders, today is Friday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I really want to see it break this high right here to really confirm, but I do think this is very likely in a wave Y. I think this is actually already the ABC of wave Y also, which should take it up above the high of wave W. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this way over here is the wave A, this is the wave B, and we're currently in the wave C of wave Y. I think this is likely a 1. This is right here is likely an ABC of 2. I think there's a very good likelihood that this will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, because a wave Y should be an ABC on shorter time frames. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we did have a very significant bounce right at the 38%, as you can see. Now, I'm not really convinced that this is the continuation of the uptrend, but because we have a break of structure on like the 8-hour, 4-hour time frame, I am definitely looking for longs. And while I'm looking for longs, if it just keeps on going up, then that's great news for me. But I do kind of suspect that this actually could end up being a crutch into this move down. This could be like a wave A, this could be a wave B, and then later on go down for a wave C, maybe even down to like the 50% level or even the 61.8 for this subdivision of 3. So like a 1, a 2, and a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we definitely do have a nice break of structure. And like I was just explaining, I'm definitely looking for logs. While I'm looking for logs, if it just keeps on going up, bouncing from fib levels but not breaking structure, then I will just enjoy the trend and just keep on looking for longs, no problem at all. But while I'm looking for longs, especially if it does some sort of a three-way pattern like this, some sort of an A, a B, and a C pattern, up to any one of these Fibonacci levels, and that's what's going to tell me it's a wave B, especially if we get that bounce and a break of structure, then I will definitely be ready to go short for the wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for logs. Ever since we had a break of structure to the upside yesterday or the day before, I've definitely been looking for logs in an uptrend every chance I get. So, like I said, I'm looking for logs, and as I'm looking for logs, I'm just paying attention to these fib levels to see if it does make a nice break of structure or if it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows. Either way, I don't really care. Because honestly, I should be able to recognize if it really does break structure to the downside, or I should be able to recognize if it just continues to make higher highs, higher lows. So definitely not a big deal for either scenario. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.